Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. There we got three more Johnny Lightnings. Looks like they're from the year 1993, around that time. Looks like they're all made out of metal color, no paint. Let's start off with looks like a El Camino. We got two surfboards in the back. Like I said, ain't no paint, just metal. Kind of heavy too. With red interior. And it looks like we got an old 32 Roadster. Got red interior also. Little rumble seat in the back. And last, thought we got a moving van. If you call that a van. That's kind of like something off of the Monsters, if you ask me, but it's weird looking. But anyway, they call the Challengers. I've never seen anything like it. But anyway, thanks for watching. More Johnny Lightning coming. Check out my other videos of 164 Scale Racing. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.